Okay, here's question 4 on the foundation calculator paper. The table shows the information about the amounts of time, so it's amounts of time in minutes, that Dave and Nick spent using their mobile phones on 4 days last week. So there are the days: Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and that's the amount of time that Dave spent, that's the amount of time that Nick spent. Nick spent less than 10 minutes using his mobile phone on one of the 4 days. So Nick spent less than 10 minutes using his mobile phone on one of those 4 days. Which day was it? So here's Nick's information: less than 10 minutes. There's only one number there that's less than 10, and that's 6. So it was Thursday. Okay, so it was Thursday that he spent less than 10 minutes using his mobile phone. On Sunday, Nick spent more time using his mobile phone than Dave. So on Sunday, Nick spent more time using his mobile phone than Dave. How much more? Okay, so let's see. Nick spent 35 minutes. Yep. Dave spent 28 minutes. So they basically wanted to do a takeaway, a subtraction of that. I can see 35 take away 28, that's going to be 7. So the answer to that is 7 minutes. If I just raise this up a bit, let's see what I mean by that. Okay, so we're left with part C. Okay, in part C it says work out who spent the greater total amount of time using their mobile phone. So we need to find out who spent more time altogether, the total amount of time using their mobile phone. Now, given that this is the calculator paper, I could easily use my calculator to work this out. Now, actually, I'm going to go back to the question area, and I'm going to put clearly what I'm going to try to do. So total time spent by Dave equals, and total time spent by Nick. Now, Dave's times was 7 minutes on Thursday, 6 on Friday, 17 on Saturday, and 28 minutes on Sunday. So I'll need to add those up. And for Nick spent 6 minutes on Thursday, 11 on Friday, 12 minutes on the phone on Saturday, and 35 minutes on the phone on Sunday. So just taking advantage of the fact that this is a calculator paper and you could use a calculator, clearing the screen. I'm going to work out Dave's times first. So 7 plus 6 plus 17 plus 28, that gives me 58. So $58 minutes. And for Nick, that's 6 plus 11 plus 12 plus 35, and that gives me 64 minutes. Now, I didn't point this out, but this part of the question, there's a star next to it. And what that means is their quality of written communication marks for this. So they want me to say in a sentence my answer. Now, going back to the question, work out who spent the greater total amount of time using his mobile phone. Well, Nick spent 64 minutes, Dave spent 58 minutes, so Nick spent more time. So Nick spent more time using his mobile phone. So you can see there I've written my answer as a sentence, and I've got enough there to get the 3 marks for this. 1 mark for each of those lines of working, and then my sentence indicating clearly my answer gives me a 3rd mark. This whole question is pretty straightforward, right? And it is easy to get full marks in this. Make sure you get them.